Elevate your workflow with the Apple 2024 iMac M4. Ready to redefine your desktop experience? The Apple 2024 iMac M4 brings power, elegance, and intelligence together. Its Apple-designed M4 chip delivers extraordinary speed for multitasking, gaming, and creativity. Experience innovation wrapped in a colorful, sleek, and ultra-thin design that brightens up any workspace. Dive into a world of detail with the 24-inch 4.5K Retina display. Boasting up to 1 billion colors and 500 nits of brightness, it promises vibrant visuals for your favorite tasks, whether you're designing, video editing, or enjoying the latest blockbuster. The display redefines how you see and interact with your digital content. Powered by Apple Intelligence, the iMac M4 is designed to keep everything smooth and private. From running apps like Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud at lightning speed to seamless iPhone and Mac integration, every feature is designed to make your life more efficient and secure. Enhance your remote work game with a 12MP center stage camera, studio-quality microphones, and 6 speakers with spatial audio. Whether you're video conferencing or executing a virtual presentation, you'll look and sound your best. Designed for professionals, it's communication like never before. With 16 GB of unified memory and 512 GB of SSD storage, the iMac lets you bring your creative ideas to life effortlessly. Need to expand? Its Thunderbolt 4 ports enable blazing fast data transfer and compatibility with up to 2 external 6K displays. Stop wondering, start discovering. The Apple 2024 iMac M4 is in stock and available now. Step into the future of computing and transform how you work, create, and connect. Click the link to unlock your next big upgrade and revolutionize your workspace. Don't wait. Experience the extraordinary today and buy your at the link below. Thank you.